So in this video, we will learn how to automatically post to Facebook from WordPress. So imagine this, you have created an awesome WordPress post, and to bring in more traffic, you want to publish this post on Facebook. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of the post, sort it out, and manually publish this post on Facebook. Now the problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new post is added on WordPress, automatically create that post on Facebook. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate WordPress and Facebook. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you with an example. Okay, so basically I'm going to publish a post on smartphones. So the name of the post is Smartphones in Next Decade. Okay, so this will be a highly enriching post, and let me just paste the content. So basically this is my content, and the next thing what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a feature image. So let me just add a feature image. So let's see, do we have any feature image of a phone? Yes, we do have one, and let me just set this feature image. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on publish. Okay, so basically our post is getting published. So now the idea is that once a post is published on WordPress, it will be reflected or published as a post in Facebook. Okay, so let it get published. Okay, so as you can see, the post has been published. So let me just take you to Facebook. Okay, so this is my Facebook profile, and this is a page that I have built. The name of the page itself is my page, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this page. So the idea is that the post that was published in WordPress will be reflected in this particular page. So let's have a look. So let me just scroll down, and let's see if do we have this post or not. Yes, we do have the post. Okay, so as you can see, this is the title, Smartphones in Next Decade. Along with that, we have the content and of course the image. So basically this is the whole gist. You create a post in WordPress, it will be reflected or published as a post on Facebook. Okay, so to begin the process, we are going to use an app called as Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let's visit pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we are going to use an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate WordPress and Facebook. So basically this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now, before I create a new workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, there is already an integration that has already integrated WordPress and Facebook. So basically, I'm going to switch off this workflow. So your obvious question is, why are we switching off this workflow? It's working absolutely fine. Well, the answer is very simple. Since we are going to create a new workflow, this old workflow running parallel to it will create the problem of duplication of results. Basically, the same post will be published twice on Facebook. So to avoid double results, I have switched off this workflow. It is actually none of your concern because we are going to start from scratch by clicking on Create Workflow. Okay, so we are going to give a name to this workflow. So I want to give the name as WordPress to Facebook post data. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally up to you. So let me just click on Create. Okay, so when you click on Create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as a trigger window. So basically, we are going to create a new workflow. Now, if you want to access this workflow, the link of the workflow is available in the description box. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as WordPress? Because we want to send the data from WordPress. That is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new post published? Okay, so new post published is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new post is published on WordPress, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we do have a ton of trigger events. As you can see, these are all the trigger events. Now, basically, I just at this point want to send the data when a new post is published in WordPress. So basically, that's the gist. So first of all, let me just integrate WordPress to Public Connect. So let me just take you to WordPress. So this is my WordPress account. Now to begin the actual integration process, there is something you have to do. So once again, let me show you a plugin that has to be installed. The name of the plugin is WP Webhooks. As you can see, this is the plugin WP Webhooks. So I'm just going to copy the name, and let me just take you to plugins. Okay, let me just take you to the plugins section. Where is it? Where is our plugin? Okay, so let me just open this in a new tab. I'm just going to take you to the install plugin section. So basically the idea is that we will search for the install plugin that is WP Webhooks. Now obviously you know how to install a plugin. I am not going to teach you that. So the page has loaded. Let me just search for the plugin that is WP Webhooks. Okay, so this is the plugin that you have to install. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on settings. Click here. Okay, so this is the settings page, and as you can see, this WP Webhooks has some options: send data, receive data, authentication, settings, and pro. So we are going with send data because we want to send the data to Public Connect, and from Public Connect it will go to Facebook. So let me just click on send data. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Okay, and basically it is asking me several choices: send data on register, send data on login, send data on user update. Basically we just want to send the data when a new post is published in WordPress. So I'm just going with this one, send data on new post. So basically we are clicking on send data on new post, and then we are going to click on add webhook URL. So we have to give a name to this webhook URL. I'm going to give a random name. How about red and pink? Just a random name. You can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally up to you. Now coming to this part, that's the webhook URL. So basically to get the webhook URL, let me just go to Public Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the webhook URL. Let me just click on add for post create. Okay, so the webhook URL has been added. So basically the gist is we have integrated WordPress to Public Connect. Now basically at this point we have only mentioned that when a new post, now in a new case of new post there are several options: when a new post is published, when a new post is drafted, when a new post is deleted. So we have to specifically mention that. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find the webhook that we have added, and click on these three vertical dots. Click this and just click on settings. Now let me just scroll down, and here we have to mention the trigger, that is the post. And post what? Is it drafted, pending, private, or published? Yes, definitely published. We just want to send the data when a post is published on WordPress. Let me just click on save setting. Okay, so the settings has been saved. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make one experiment here. I'm just going to publish a post. Okay, so let me just click on add new, and let me just copy some content. So this is about a smartwatch. Okay, so we are just going to copy the content about smartwatch or wristwatch. Okay, so this is the wristwatch content. I'm just going to copy this, and let's type wristwatch of 2020 or 2021. Okay, so let me just paste the content, or you can actually paste more content. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so let me just add more content. Okay, so it does look like that we have created a perfect post. Now the only thing that is missing from this perfect post is I have to set a feature image. So do we have any wristwatch image? So this is my media library. Of course you can directly upload from your computer, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm going with this one. Okay, so we have added the image, we have set the feature image, and let me just click on publish. Okay, so our post is getting published. So basically, since Public Connect is integrated with WordPress, let's have a look whether it will capture this data or not. So let's let the post get published first. Okay, so as you can see, the post has been published. So let's have a look in Public Connect. do we have the data of this particular post? So let's have a look. So let me just scroll down. Yes, we do have the data of this particular post. So the name of the post is wristwatch of 2021, and this is the post content. Excellent. Now there is something else I have to show you, that is the link of the feature image. So let me just show you the link. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. Okay, so let me just copy this and let me just paste it in a new tab. Open this in a new tab. Okay, so basically this is the same image that we had uploaded. Excellent. So let me just take you back to Pabbly Connect. So basically the gist is, using all this detail, we are going to publish a post on Facebook. Okay, so let me just introduce one more window. Now using this window, we are going to choose an app that is Facebook. Now here in Facebook, we have some choices. I'm going with Facebook pages. Click this. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create page post? Click this. Then click on connect. Then in the new connections, just again click on connect. Authorization is successful. Excellent. Just press OK. Now, as you can see, a set of fields has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these fields is very simple. We are going to create a post in Facebook from the data that we have received from WordPress via Pabbly Connect. Now, by default, it is showing the page as Technical Boy. This is because these are all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. So let me just show you. So let me just open this in a new tab. Okay, so it is getting loaded. So these are all the pages that I have in my account. Okay, so all the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here. Okay, so out of all these pages, the page I'm interested in is this one, my page. So I have selected this one. Now in the page access token, we don't have to do anything, just leave it like this. Now comes the part, the message. So basically I'm going to add the title as well as the content. So this will be our title. I'm just going to click on the first accordion, and where is our title? Okay, so this is our title. We have mapped it, and I'm just entering a colon. After a colon, I'm just going to map the description, basically the content. So this is the content. Excellent. So we have the message, that's the title, along with the description or the content. Then we have the link URL. So basically we are just going to map this particular URL here. Okay, so basically this is the image, this is the feature image. So let me just scroll down and let's have a look. Do we have the feature image? Yeah, this is the feature image and we have mapped it. Now to create a post on Facebook, all we have to do is just click on save and send test request. So let me do that. Okay, so we do have a very positive API response. So let me just take you to Facebook. So this is the page, that is my page. Okay, so we can't see the post. Okay, so how about we refresh this? Okay, so it is getting refreshed. So let me just scroll down. Okay, so let's have a look. Do we have the page? Yeah, do we have the post? Yes, we do have the post. So basically this is the post. Okay, so we have got it. So the presence of this post shows that we have successfully integrated WordPress and Facebook with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So this is the action window I have minimized, and I have minimized the trigger window. So in the first stage, you have integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and in the second stage, you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Facebook pages. So now there is a perfect flow of data between WordPress and Facebook pages.